So I've never spoken directly to the camera before, so this might be a bit weird for me at first until I get used to it, I guess. I don't know. This is a new thing for me. Uh, what am I trying to do here? So I've always been into game development, things like that, but I've always just kind of dabbled. I've made little things here, followed, been stuck in tutorial hell with programming and Unity and things. So I've always kind of done stuff like that. And a friend of mine had some ideas, and he said, you should make this like little game and make it really simple and stuff like that. So I ended up making a game. It's called Pop It. I might be showing it on the screen now. It's super simple. It's a clicker game. So balloons come up, you click them, they explode, etc. There's a leaderboard, all this stuff. So that was pretty easy. Pounded that out in like a week or so. It was not that bad. And then I was kind of trying to set stuff up properly, right? I was like, okay, well, if we publish this as a mobile game, I want to put it on the Play Store, that type of stuff. And so when I started getting into it, I made like a business account, like I'm trying to do everything properly. And then I find out that the Google Play Store will basically dox you. It gives out your full address. And I know anyone can look anything up, but I mean, it just seemed weird. So I kind of was like, I don't want to do it. And I didn't really do anything. So a couple months go by, and I went on vacation from work for 2 weeks. And I did some reflecting and thinking about stuff. And one of the things I thought about was like, I really want to become masterful with programming, C# specifically. I really like C#. And I know you can do that in Unity. So I was like, I want to get back into game dev, and I really want to do a deep dive on it. And I want to really hone my skills. So what did I decide to do? I took Pop It, that game, and I figured out how can I publish this on Steam, because I know Steam's a good platform. So I go through all the stuff on Steam, which was a lot more complicated than I originally thought. I'm like, oh, you just upload your game and you're good to go. It's not like that at all. There's a ton of stuff you need to do, but whatever, that was done. So I figured that all out, which was something I wanted to do with like a simple game, just get it on there, see what how it works, and then I can work on something new and put more, and I don't want to say effort, but put more, effort into it as I continue to develop. So how am I going to do that? One of the ways is these videos. I think I'm going to start making videos like this, kind of a little bit of retrospective. I don't know if they're devlogs, I guess you can call it that. And I'm going to stream at night on Twitch while I'm making the games. I'm going to stream it live, so programming warts and all. If I'm going to make stupid mistakes, I'm going to struggle with simple things as I build that foundational knowledge. But whatever, you have to start somewhere, right? No one's perfect, and I think I need to not be afraid to show that and just be like, okay, yeah, that was so stupid. Oh, it needs to be -1 instead of 1. That's why it hasn't worked for the last 25 minutes, and I've been trying a million things. I think that humility is important in building those skills. It also allows me to document my journey of progression as well. So I set up a website for the game company. I can write blogs and stuff like that. And yeah, that's, I guess, the plan moving forward. I started work on a new game, a second game. So now that we've got Pop It kind of on Steam, it's in the process of being released. It's not, I'm going to sell it for 99 cents. I don't know. I could give it away for free probably, but whatever. It was more of a learning experience. I started work on a new game, which I'm streaming nightly on Twitch developing. It's just a shoot 'em up. So again, I want to keep the scope realistic, right? I'm not going to go for I'm not trying to build some MMORPG that's going to change the world and kill World of Warcraft, right? I want to keep it realistic, keep the scope doable so that I can actually put projects out and get better progressively each time. That's the goal anyway. So, what is the game? It's a shoot 'em up. It's in an arena. It's going to be reminiscent of something like Geometry Wars. It's gonna have that like very neon, bloomy vibe, vector style graphics kind of thing, and that's what I'm aiming for. So I've done a lot of work on it. I'm trying to do project management using like the GitHub has these like Kanban boards things. So I'm trying to use those to kind of keep myself organized and productive. And I'm really just trying to take it a lot more serious, and really get into it. So I hope to do that. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I'm going to try and probably overlay some gameplay and stuff like that of like me from my stream or working on stuff. Yeah, I hope to keep making the videos, and talking at the camera is really weird and awkward, but I guess if I'm gonna do this, I need to get used to doing it. So yeah, see you in the next one, I guess.